Honorable Moses Kajwang. I am back. I've been here before I moved to East African Legislative Assembly, and I'm back with my green suit, and it have a coded message that we should make our continent green by planting more trees. So in honor of my wash and wear suit, please make sure you have planted 1,000 trees when you go back. On behalf of the East Africa Legislative Assembly, we commit that we will be very active in the climate change caucus and also do whatever that is possible to pass laws in the East African Legislative Assembly that will mitigate the effect of climate change. Again, I want to commit that once we are back with Honorable Amogin, we will make sure that we discuss this as a motion in the East African Legislative Assembly, and the declaration that have been made here by African leaders, we commit to support and make sure that it is discussed in the East Africa. Lastly, Honorable Moderator, we should not leave a critical mass of our population behind. That is persons with disabilities. In Africa, we have 100 million of them, and most of the disability are also caused indirectly by climate change, because in conflict in search of pasture and water, many are maimed, especially in the north, and we have witnessed an increase in the number of persons with disability. With 100 million persons with disability in Africa, we have more than 10 million of them sitting on wheelchairs. These wheelchairs can cost as more as $400 million. That is a factory that may be emitting more carbon. So once we are involved, we will also make sure that these factories that are produce our assisted devices like crutches, calipers, and wheelchairs are using renewable energy. Thank you, Honorable Moderator.
Thank you very much. I indulge you because you were speaking.